Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to set goals for home buying with Digit. Saving for a home is a major financial goal, and Digit can help you to get there step by step. Let me show you what to do. So first, open the Digit app and head to the goals section. Once you're there, you're going to tap create new goal, and now you're going to choose home buying from the list of goal types, or you could just enter a custom name. Next, set your target amount based, of course, on your expected down payments, or it could be the total home purchase savings. Choose a deadline, or you could just leave it open-ended if you're flexible on timing. Digit will then calculate exactly how much that you can safely save each day or week, and then start automating transfers towards this goal. You can track your progress anytime and adjust the goal amounts, or you can adjust the deadline as your plans evolve. Digit's smart algorithm will continually adapt how much it saves based on your spending habits and your upcoming bills. By letting Digit automate your transfers, you avoid the stress of manual transfers and stay focused on your dream home. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. If this helped, then please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful Digit guides. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. See you guys in the next one.